Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Polygon here, and as we can see, looking like we have come back down into that area that I did speak about a few days ago. I took the day off yesterday because, to be honest, I was hanging out my arse, so apologies for that. But I am back today with the daily videos here. You can see here with Polygon right now. Yesterday I had a little bit of a renaissance, bouncing off and in and around this area of the 618. You can see here we came down into it really. Got a little rejection of that downside and coming back into this structure here as well. Nice little push to the upside yesterday, and now looking like we're bouncing around on the 618 right now, which is obviously cool to see, and that is what we want to be seeing. As I said before, I did have a small position here which was filled for Polygon. Another position here on the 618 as well. Long positions, both of them being filled in these areas. And I will most likely have another long position somewhere down here at this swing low. I'll probably have one here like this, for example. I'm scaling into a long position right now for Polygon because I do think that we're probably going to see ourselves having a nice move to the upside pretty soon for it. But if you just take a look at the chart, you can see here these are the areas where I got filled on these long positions. And really the next one I'm looking for, if we do descend further from this point, would be down here at this swing low. You could do something like this, come down, grab some liquidity and then head back up. You can see obviously we've been having quite a nice move to the upside recently, but Polygon has been doing quite nice because it's had a run, consolidate, run, consolidate, run, and then it's come back down here after a bit of an overextension in the wider market for a back test here of the 618. Really, we've got the, you would say, breakout back test of the 618, really heading up to the next Fibonacci level in my opinion. Right now, coming back down and retesting here is really, really nice to see. And overall, you could say really Polygon, it's got a higher high, higher low, higher high kind of structure going on right now, hasn't it, to be honest? And if it backtests anywhere in this area and makes another higher high, I mean, you could argue that it's in a bit of a bull market, to be honest, couldn't you? Because even though the wider market isn't, Polygon's been doing really, really well ever since it had this real rollover and collapse down here to around that 90% correction. $3 to around 30 cents, and then obviously you can see ever since then we've been working the Fibonacci levels, as I've been talking about literally ad nauseum for basically the past year or so. You can see here ranging between Fibonacci levels, breakout, but a false breakout back down inside the range, and then you can see here breakout, back test, and then breakout and another back test here happening this week. So we will see what happens next for Polygon, but right now really looking like we are coming back down into this area here, retesting the previous structure and that Fibonacci level. And as I said before, considering the bullish move that we are seeing in the markets over the past few months, ever since the new year, I'd probably expect, if Polygon does hold support, to be heading up towards that 0.78 Fibonacci level pretty soon, if that is the case. So really, Polygon, I would say, top tier crypto, doing very well at the minute, doing what it needs to do. Chart's looking pretty bullish in my opinion. Nice big move to the upside, nice big correction and back test, and now really, in my opinion, looking for that 0.78 as the next target. So targets to the upside and the downside, I do think that 0.78 is a good target there. But if we fall back inside this level here, break down and back test and roll over, obviously the 0.50 Fibonacci level will be the next place where we could see a back test, which could easily happen really. You could do this, and then still go up after that. But Polygon, in my opinion, looking quite good. I would have a very, very large long position down at the 0.50 here, in my opinion, because I do think we are probably going to see some more upside for Polygon pretty soon, considering how well the markets are doing at the minute. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to our private Discord. I'll be hanging out there most days with other investors as well, just talking about crypto, trying to get an edge on the markets, etc. So if you do want to support the channel, that would be a great way to do so. And I'll see you in the next video.